Removal. Remove the screw plugs from the base enclosure. Important: there are various sizes of screw plug. Make note of where each size plug is located. Remove the 10 6mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the top cover to the base enclosure. Turn the notebook over and open the display panel. Using a non-metallic, flat-bladed tool, carefully separate the edges of the top cover from the base enclosure. Lift the front edge of the top cover until you have access to the battery connector on the system board. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Use minimal force to lift the locking bar up on the keyboard ZIF connector and disconnect the keyboard ribbon cable from the system board. Use minimal force to lift the locking bar up on the touchpad ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the top cover. Important: when replacing the top cover, be sure to remove the thermal pad from the old top cover and place on the new top cover. Unless the thermal pad is damaged, then it cannot be reused. Reverse this procedure to install the top cover.